Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Here is biochemist Himmat Ali Memun. In this class, we will discuss about the standard amino acid. In previous class, we have studied about the introduction of amino acid and a common structure of the amino acid. If you haven't seen that, then firstly watch that and after that you can easily understand this lecture. So kindly please watch them. Actually, in this world, two types of amino acids are exist. Some amino acids are those which take part in the formation of protein, and mostly amino acids are those which don't take part in the protein synthesis, but they perform very significant functions in our body. In this video, we will only discuss about those amino acids which take part in the formation of protein. Standard Standard amino acids are those amino acids which take part in the formation of protein. More than 700 amino acids are present in nature, but among them 20 amino acids are very specially amino acids which take part in the formation of protein. And these 20 amino acids are building blocks of protein. Standard amino acids are different from each other by the radical group which is attached on the alpha carbon. Like this chart contain all standard amino acid. Here 20 amino acids which are totally different from each other due to this highlighted portion which is called alkyl or radical group. This amino acid contain hydrogen, it is glycine, methyl group, alanine, valine, leucine, methionine, isoleucine, serine, threonine, cysteine, proline, asparagine, glutamine, lysine, arginine, histidine, aspartate, glutamate, phenylalanine, tyrosine, and tryptophan. These all amino acids are take part in the protein synthesis. And these amino acids are ionized form in the biological system or living things. Normally they exist in this form when they are present in the living body, they are in this ionized form. This amino acid contain hydrogen. When they are present in the living body, this hydrogen shifted from here to here, this amine group. When this carboxylic acid left this group, this atom, and combined with the amine group, at that time this carboxylic acid contain negative charge, and when this amine group take a hydrogen atom, it possesses partially positive charge. And standard amino acid have genetic code in the DNA. This is an structure of DNA which possesses specific codes for the each amino acid. Like glycine, this glycine is controlled by this specific code which is GUA, and cysteine which is controlled by UGC, lysine AAG, serine AGC, leucine UCUU. And these amino acids are alpha amino acids. Alpha amino acids are those amino acids in which amine group and a carboxylic group possess on a single carbon. Like this carboxylic acid group and this amine group are attached with the same carbon. So this amino acid is known as alpha amino acid. And in biological system, all are the alpha amino acids and L form of amino acid. In next videos, inshallah, we will discuss about the L and D form of the amino acid. That is enough, dear guys. If you have any question, please ask me in a comment box, and please subscribe our channel and share with your friends. Khuda Hafiz. Wassalam.